Today I went for an hour to the mall, to the shopping mall, and something just pops out. I mean, when I entered the mall, there was, a standard mall. You go, just hang around, seeing things. But what if the shopping experience was enhanced using augmented reality? So imagine that a management of a certain mall decides that, all right, we are going to do something absolutely amazing. We're going to use augmented reality in order to try to enhance the shopping experience for our users, for our shoppers. Now, I'm not going to put limitations here. Of course, you can use it in mobile AR and mixed reality. And let's say that we have a good technology, and just try to think more openly about the ideas, how we can use it in order to enhance the shopping experience using those technologies. So let's start. I'll give you a few examples. So right before even you enter the mall, even from a bit far away, when you just wear your AR glasses, you can already see some, characters, popping out from the buildings. Maybe a dragon that just breathes, fire from his mouth, and you can see it from far away. Now you enter the mall, and the moment you enter, there's an AI character that comes to you and say, "Hello, hi, how are you?" And this experience is already personalized. This means that this virtual character, virtual assistant, will actually guide you throughout the shopping when you are there in the mall. Now let's imagine that this personalized assistant is kind of interfaced with some of the already existent AR assistant like Alexa and others. So it already knows a bit about you. So we can create a personalized shopping experience, and the shopping experience is tailored to you, to what you like. So for example, is going to say, "I know what you're going to like. Come, you have to come with me. There's an amazing shoes shop with great sales. You have to see this. Here, take a look at a few shoes." And it's going to present you some shoes and the prices. And you say, "All right, I really like it. Take me there." And then both of you go there. And for a second, you probably feel thirsty. And then, you said, "I'm thirsty. I need to drink something." And the virtual character said, "No problem." And even just you said, even without the virtual character, you're going to see like a few offerings. That these offerings are dedicated to those who come to experience the shopping using this AR glass experience for the shopping mall. So this means that only those who come with the app, use the app, can actually see those sales and offerings. And this is good because it encourages people to use it. Now let's say you come with a friend, all right, and your friend also has a personalized assistant, or so both of you can get into different places, and you can actually, if you want to see if your friend wants to show you, "Hey, I see something great here," and this person is in another shop on the other side of the mall, you can actually just switch. It needs to show you a live stream of a camera what the other person is seeing, and you can actually just communicate and say, "All right, this is great. I really like it," and just continue doing what you are doing. As you walk, it's going to be amazing. You're going to see some promotions maybe on the floor, some cool characters flying inside the building, near the roof, and some animated characters. So it's going to be really fun just to walk around and look up and on the sides. And some of the characters will come up from the signs of the store themselves. Now let's say that you purchase a product. It's all interconnected. So the system already learned that for example, you bought shoes. And maybe it's going to recommend you other types of products that are either related, or just continue to recommend you other things that the system thinks that you might like. And if you're using a sharing option, the app might say, "Oh, there's a friend of yours in this mall. I just watching a movie. Do you want to send him a message or something?" But this, if both parties decide to share their shopping experience with their friends. And let's say, for example, you decide you want to buy a makeup, something related to makeup. And the character will say, "Oh, I don't have enough of experience in this. Let me call my friend." And then you can see like a fairy flying at you from far away and coming to you and just, stay near you. And then it replaces the other AR assistant. And then she's going to show you all the things related to makeup. Now let's imagine also that business owners can also decide to make live sales. So for example, if they decide to drop a certain product price, like by, I don't know, 30% and do it at this moment, all the people right there in the mall will get a notification showing, oh, come on everybody, listen, there's a big discount on this specific product, and then they're going to show you indoor navigation. So or either the character takes you can also see indoor navigation, a pathing on the floor that shows you the direction to the specific store that does the sale. Now the idea that the AI system will actually be there for you to ask questions and can learn about the things that you like to shop, and then give you real time, no, it's going to process the data in real time and give you some recommendation on which shops you should visit next, what product you should see, if there are price reductions, if there is anything specific that fits your style. For example, let's see that you move no, there's a store on the right, and then you point out, oh my god, I like this one, but it's so expensive. The AI character will actually see what the type of clothing you actually like, and they try to be a recommendation of something that is cheaper, and then navigate you to the store where you can buy it. I think anything you say, or maybe just even pointing with your finger, will be saved and recorded by the AI system. So for example, if you say, oh, I like this color, all right, the system remember this. Or I like this shape, or I like this, oh, this is really nice. I wonder if they have something like, all right, you ask a question, the AI system should know if there's something, to give you an answer if they have something that you ask for. Now obviously store owners will be competing here, and because you can get immediate notifications, visual ones, they will try to maybe make some live sales, reduce prices while they're there. And they can actually know how many people use the app, because the application will know the location when the people are, and maybe they can they can notify the store owners how many people actually are in the mall, and then it will encourage them to try to compete with prices live in real time. And let's imagine there is an happy hour, or everybody is waiting for this. Let's say it's 5 in the afternoon, and then suddenly things change. You see many characters just flying in the middle of the mall, and it's a bit there's changes in light and some filtering that makes the entire mall looks a bit different. And then you see like boom, and then like a balls with minus 50% just dropping on the floor, and then with music and visual effects, and then you can see the sign changes and everything changes just to reflect that big sale that is about to happen in a few moments. So I can continue about this, but I think the idea is very clear, and this is something that I want to see. Maybe a popular mall going to decide, I'm going to do this, I'm going all in. But I think this experience should be done using mixed reality glasses, so the shopping experience is seamless, enjoyable. You don't need to hold the device while moving around. I know maybe Magic Leap should do something about it. I don't know, I'm just saying. But I think it's going to be amazing. You enter the mall, even from far away, as I told you, you know already that you're going to enter. It's going to be like a Disneyland of shopping, and just imagine how many cool things can be done, because it's all virtual, all this virtual content, and within AI, partner there that can help you find the great products that actually fits what you like best, super personalized to your needs. I think it's going to be amazing. Just imagine doing this like for the holiday season, and people know that if they come to this mall, it's going to have this type of experience. And if it's right now, maybe using mobile AR, or in the future use it with AR glasses, I think this specific mall is going to have such a big advantage. Now, yeah, it takes a lot of work, but I think it would be well worth it. So I want to hear your opinion. What do you think about this idea? And maybe you're gonna see some big mall, or a few of them making this thing a reality. I also want to hear your ideas. What do you think should be in this type of experience? Please just share your opinions in the comment section below. Let's see if we can, maybe some of the malls manager will hear about this and come read about all your ideas and make this thing a reality. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this, because I really want to hear what many people think about this. Thank you. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.